So I've got my disposable gloves on, and I need to. The thing with satin wood and any oil-based pen is it's very hard to remove it from your hands with white spirit. So I'm going to use this and then dispose these. So again, the problem that I had from before was that the first coat didn't adhere to the paint that was there already, which was this paint, and it has come off with that and that together, and it hasn't come off. I've had to scrape it off, because if it's not sticking to it, it's better that it's scraped off. It has to be rock hard, stuck to it completely. And there's a lot of rough surfaces here, differences between highs and lows. You can see here highs and lows. I've got this area here, the highs and the lows, and I have to sort this out. I may apply another coat here, a mist coat, so that if there's a wetness problem here, it will draw the moisture from that coat. This coat I applied, and it has stuck to it after I had peeled it off, and so this coat has adhered to the fresh exposed plaster, which is like this. So I may have to just do the same thing again. So I'm washing my roller here. I first scraped off the paint with a scraper to get the excess off all round above the paint container, and there's still some in there. I'm going to also clean the handle and all around here. So let me change the water again. I'll give the water a change, and I've got another brush here, and another brush, all water-based paints. So that's very easy to clean water-based paints. I'm gonna make it not too hot, not too cold, just enough, but you need warm water. Yeah, so fill it up a bit more, like that. One of these brushes is 10 years old. That's all I can tell you. I reuse my stuff, and I'm going to keep washing until I see clear water. So I'm going to paint behind this, so I'm going to take this handle off. So I can paint nicely around it, and then I'm going to put this back on. I just don't want any paint around it. If there's paint there, it's just going to make it difficult to get removed. So time to put this bed back, huh? I dismantled it. And now, time to paint the door now. The final coat of satin wood. Got my rad roller, tray, and I've got my two brushes. So I've painted all around this door, and after about 16 hours, because that's the drying time, I'm gonna put the cover back, the lock back, and then the cover back. And there's just no paint there. No paint has seeped through. And in the future, I can remove this very easily, because paint, it almost acts like a glue as it seeps through the ironmongery, anything, and it just makes it very difficult to remove it. So I'm going to be cleaning some brushes. They're all used in oil-based paint, including the roller. And I've got some white spray, and all I'm going to do is pour some in there, keep brushing it on the sides, and then transfer it to that next container, and then clean this with a tissue. There's a YouTube video out there so you can learn from that. As you can see, it's turning white straight away. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep changing the water as soon as this goes white, and see if there's any more space in there. That's gonna solidify anyway. I'm just gonna keep shaking it. You can see it's starting to work.